Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 26120.4161 and the beta channel. These changes are likely to roll out for version 24H2, but Microsoft can always delay or cancel any of them at any time. Okay, let's dive into the changes for this preview of Windows 11. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me a lot to grow the channel and continue doing what I like. Also, check out my website for more tutorials and related tech news. Okay, first, in Click to Do, Microsoft is testing a new draft with Copilot and Word option that will appear when selecting text. And basically this feature rewrites the selected content to create a new draft in Word. Now, since this particular feature is actually using Copilot in Word, you will need a Microsoft 365 subscription in order to use it. Now, we have seen this before, but the company is just now rolling out the ability to choose the widgets that appear on the lock screen, and you can even customize some of the widgets depending if they're customizable. So now on the lock screen page, you're going to find your widgets setting, and this allows you to turn the widgets on and off on the lock screen. And from here, you can also add new widgets. And depending on the widget, you can also customize it. Also, in this release, Microsoft is testing a new layout for the widgets dashboard and now includes tabs to switch between your news feed and your widgets. Microsoft says that this will give you a better organization to add more widgets, but the irony here is that the experience doesn't include many widgets to choose from. So I don't know, maybe Microsoft thinking about widgets in the future? I don't know. At least you will now be able to switch between your widgets and the news feed, which you can always disable if you don't want to see any news on the widgets dashboard. Also, when opening the Open With menu and you have to choose another app, this menu has been updated and I don't have it on my computer, but I have a screenshot. And now the menu will recommend another app that you can use to open that specific format, but the app will be from the store. And you will notice this promotion by the Microsoft Store icon on the right side. I guess this is another way to keep pushing promotions from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about Microsoft promoting apps from the Microsoft Store throughout Windows 11. I am actually excited about this next feature. Microsoft is now setting up the stage for a new feature in the Windows Backup app that will allow you to transfer files and settings from your old computer to a new computer in the local network without having to use the cloud. Currently, we can only get the landing and preparing page, but in the future, you will be able to transfer your files and settings even from the initial setup, which we also know as the out-of-box experience. But we have already seen some of the bits for this new feature. So when the PC to PC file transfer feature is complete, we're going to see a landing page like this that allows you to choose whether you want to back up your PC or transfer your files to a new PC. If you select that option and you continue, you will get this passcode that you will have to enter on the other PC, and that would allow us to make the connection in the same network to transfer the files and settings to the new location. And finally, Microsoft is also updating some interfaces in the Settings app, and that includes the dialog for entering the product key to match the Windows 11 design. And this same change you're going to see on the page to troubleshoot activation, phone activation, and retail mode. As per usual, Microsoft is also rolling out some fixes on Windows 11 build 26120.4161 in the beta channel. And these changes include fixes for the start menu, more specifically to the account manager. Also in this release, we get some fixes for task manager, more specifically for the CPU utility and the CPU graph, also for narrator and voice access. Remember that you can always check the link in the description to the full article that not only includes all the new official changes, but if anything new is being discovered, I always make sure to update that page to include the latest news for a particular build. And that's it. Leave your comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.